Founded in 1973, we moved into our modern office building and worked on Smyrsvever in 1980. Through the years, we have taken on numerous remodeling and interior design projects for homes, banks, retail stores, schools, and daycare centers, both as the lead general contractor and as a specialist subcontractor. At the same time, we have kept pace with advances in technology and machinery design, so that today we are able to meet the most challenging and most up-to-date technical specifications demanded by our customers. Whatever the challenging future project, we at BSV have the confidence, the knowledge, the experience, and the skill to design the best solution and, most importantly, to deliver quality, expert craftsmanship.